Here I am, y'all, back. You see me getting ready to fix a big old pot of pinto beans, cooking from scratch, trying to survive the high price of food by stocking up on dry beans, rice, sugar, flour, cornmeal, some butter, some eggs, cooking from scratch, saving money in my pocket, staying out of these high price grocery stores. And if I do shop, I'll try and do things on sale, and I'll do big batch prepping to put stuff in the freezer so we'll have the convenience of having stuff already ready to eat. No more being plagued by the high price of these grocery stores. And a lot of stuff is missing and gonna be in short supply. So you better get out there and get what you need now. Don't let the game beat you. Stay ahead of it. Hey guys, it's Miss JENITA in the kitchen, cooking some food, cooking from scratch. This is a big old crock pot full of pinto beans with some smoked meat. Been cooking this since yesterday in the crock pot. They are nice and tender, it's delicious and flavorful. Smells good too. Yeah, I can smell a little bit now. Coming back. Well, these are my surviving with mama meals. Yes, indeed. If any kind of civil unrest get to going on around here, we cooking from mama meals, scratch cooking for days. With these pinto beans, we can either do corn muffins. I got my rice right here, or make a bunch of burritos, because pinto beans are delicious in a burrito. Also, instead of the pork meat, cook some ground beef up, and you put the ground beef, beans, rice, and whatever like condiment vegetable you want to put on your burrito. Very good, very tasty. And I got the right kind of burrito bread, not those thick, gummy. Some of those burrito bread that they have are so thick and gummy. I like the thin one. But yeah, this is surviving the high price of food by having a stockpile and stocking it with things that you can cook from scratch with. Rice is good, beans, cornbread, biscuits. I'm going to be doing another video like saying let's cook some biscuits on another video, just regularly cooking some biscuits, because now they don't my biscuits aren't rocks anymore, so I'm comfortable with making biscuits from scratch. Not with the self-rising flour either. I'm using flour and baking powder and salt and whatever wet or whatever kind of wet ingredient that I use in there in the biscuits to make them fluffy and juicy and tender. My family loves them, and I'm glad that I didn't give up learning how to make biscuits. Now, some people will do the 2-ingredient way. They'll use the heavy whipping cream and the self-rising flour. But now I'm more confident, and I'm doing it with, like I say, flour, regular flour, and those kind of ingredients. So coming up, I'll be making some more homemade biscuits. I'm going to take y'all along with me and share that. But today, we about to get down on these beans, make some burritos, some corn muffins, some rice, fry up some ground beef. That's how we do it. And I have had pork. You know, with these pinto beans, pork is real good. In Mexican restaurants, pork burrito, wet burritos, all that stuff good. We might try to make a wet burrito. It's gonna be all good. Miss JENITA gonna come and share with y'all as soon as I finish with the other ingredients, making cornbread or corn muffins. Some nice white rice, heat up some tortillas, chop up some onions and things, and just have it our way. So that's what I'm in here sharing with y'all today. What our menu is like. Good old beans, good old big old pot of dry beans, pinto beans that cooked from, you know, cooking for mama meals, scratch meals. Big old pot of pinto beans. Like, you can keep getting it out of my mouth. I got those pinto beans. They were on sale at Sam's Club. I think it was $10, a big old bag. And yes, we gonna be cooking them. I'm gonna keep cooking them in this crock pot because I like to let them slow cook overnight. Nice and tender and juicy and flavorful. All your seasoning gets in there. And guess what, you guys? Let me see, what is it? Easter coming up. I'm cooking turkey wings. I want some turkey wings. And I think we having turkey wings if my husband don't barbecue. Cause we do got some rib, some pork rib in there. We might have some pork rib, cause we get down with the pork rib. I know this is not the cooking show, but this is a sharing thing going on right here. That's what creative content is. You just create some content, put it on up there for people in the universe to enjoy. Oh, and I'm going to share with you guys what I had wrote in the comments on one of my videos when I was telling you guys that the ads aren't playing. So I went and I told Google, and they told me they checked my channel and they said that the ads are playing. Okay, the ads play, excuse me, on my cell phone, on the TV. Fine, no problem. They don't buffer in black. But when I get on my desktop, I don't know why it is. On the desktop, even when I go to you guys' channel, the ads are buffering black. I can only see the title of the ad. And then after a few seconds, the video will play. But I can't watch the ad. It won't play. It just buffers in black. So I recorded that. And I'm going to add it in the video so y'all can see. I'm going to put it right in here, right as I'm talking about it, so y'all see. Take a look.
Booby.
Yeah.
You can eat.
All right. We're having taco and burritos. Look at my scratch-made pinto beans. So yummy. And the delicious ground beef. We're going to stuff these burritos with rice, ground beef, and pinto beans, and some cheese, some onions. Oh, it's going to be so good. Diet approved. Yum! I'm putting some of this good bean juice all up in the ground beef for the burritos. So good, so good. Okay, y'all, here's the burrito ingredients. We got the beans, the pinto beans, the ground beef, chili meat, rice, cheese, green onion, white onion on a burrito shell. I'm about to wrap it up. Give me a minute. One burrito prepared. And I also forgot to tell you I put the Ortega taco sauce on it. So this is going to be so good. We went from dry beans to the crock pot cooking, to the ground meat, to the rice, to the fixings, to the prepping, to now. Bon appetit, diet approved. Yum! Oh, I forgot to say cooking from scratch. Cooking from scratch. Cooking from scratch. Mama's Meals.